Hello, hello. I just wanted to come in, show you the BN20 that the BN28, let me specify that I just got in about a week ago and just currently setting everything up. So welcome. I am a little bit behind as far as showing everything I've already got to put up. I put it on a stand, which I'm going to basically take down and flip it over to make it more secure for me. But this is just coming from Harbor Freight. This is the little stand I have it on here. It's a utility cart, and then that's my baby. Well, we about to we setting it up right now. I'm currently in the cleaning process right now. So um that's why you hear the beeping. I need to insert the cleaning cart. I'm basically on the last step. I've done everything already as far as installing all my software. Got it, like I said, set up and everything. There's that sample banner behind. I've even purchased other samples to try out to see what type of material I'm gonna like. My blade is already in. So, like I said, the basic things are already set up that it's going to take you through. So, right now, I'm just cleaning my last cart, the black ink, and then we'll be done shortly. And we're going to see how this baby work. Work, work. I can't wait. So, you're just going to hear a lot of clicking and beeping and all that good stuff. If you are setting your BN20 up for the first time, do not be like me. I was so nervous that I didn't want to mess up anything that I during the cleaning process I was following directions, whatever, and I was going through putting in my dummy carts and my inks or whatever. But I noticed that it would never flip. And I was like, I don't know why. Like I'm gonna say I'm frustrated over here. I am frustrated to the max. Well, come to find out, if I read, why I tell everybody reading is fundamental. It says insert cart and then it starts beeping. Then it says remove cart, and then you need to hit OK while the cart is removed. So there's so many steps that I did not follow that is going to be crucial for you setting it up. So every time I was cleaning one and I saw that it did not move over, I was taking it out, and I was like, I don't know why it's keep doing this. Like I'm over here yelling at myself. Then I actually sat down and paid attention, and it's taking me step by step by step, even with the color of the card, the pointing of the arrow of the card telling me which one to do. So be sure that you read your screen. Insert when it says insert, remove when it says remove. Just follow directions. Key tip. So right now, my last step says the cleaning operation is finished. Remove the 3 dummy carts and hit next. So I'm going to take those 3 dummy carts out, which come in the rolling. And I'm going to take out the cleaning too, I'm sure. And then we're just going to hit next. This is my screen over here. You can't see it's so much stuff, but it's over here. I know. Okay, so yeah. See, I tried to answer everything. I did something wrong. It said, take it out. Press OK. So it says, head wash has been executed. Please wait for a while. So yeah, take out that last cart, all your dummy carts, and just let it do its thing. I'm excited. I got that coming. Like I said, I got the stuff coming to be here around the 30th or so. So we're gonna be printing up a storm. Yeah. Okay, now it says install the ink cartridges. Check the ink well and then install them in the positions indicated on the figure. All of the cartridges have been installed correctly. Hit the next button. So we finna bust these babies open. We finna bust these babies open. Got a pair of scissors. Nothing special. Oh. I need to turn the AC, but it's so much going on back here. I don't want to trip my wires. All right. All that. Scissors out of the way. So we're gonna shake the inks really good. We have that. I'm just trying to keep all my trash together. That's all. That's all. That's all. That is that. I'm just leaving the plastic just in case anything want to come out. It won't get on me before I even start. But I'm just over here on the side shaking. I want to show because all you're gonna see is the chest. All right, and then the last black. I'm just gonna push those in, go to my computer, hit next. I think that's really gonna be the basics of the setup. Like I said, pro tip, follow that computer screen. It says insert cleaning, remove cleaning, hit next, follow that. It even has you show a diagram of each of the characters as well that you're supposed to be in. So pay attention, pay attention, pay attention. All right, so I'll just bring you with me. All right, and there we are on my laptop there. I know it's a little blurry. I know. I'm just gonna hit next, and you hear it in the background. The ink tanks are being filled. Please wait for a while. You're gonna hear a lot of tinking and tinking. Well, while we're sitting here, if you haven't tried this and you love hand sanitizer, it is awesome. I love it. It smells like lemon. You ain't got to smell like alcohol. Bath and Body Works. No endorsements here. Just public opinion. My opinion. Try it out. Right there it is. And this is the Sunshine and Lemons. It comes out a little like lotion, but it is a antibacterial moisturizing hand sanitizer. I just keep it here because I be touching a lot of stuff while I'm working, so why not? Once everything is ready, it'll let you know when it's ready. The next here will highlight, so we're just waiting for everything to calm down. It shouldn't be much longer. All right, here we go. The ink tanks have been filled. Yes. And the light has went a solid blue over here. Solid. Just basically gonna click close. Here's my ink levels. I have about 40% waste already. I want to say they sent me a extra waste tank, which was awesome, and I think I've ordered another one just in case because I didn't know. But yeah, I did that, and I think we are ready to go to the next step. Um, I did purchase my machine from Codesi. So with Codesi, they do give you access to their own personal training where they have someone to actually sit down and set it up. It does help out for the most part to get you where you need to be. Just make sure that you do pay attention and you do kind of go step by step. Right now, I am going through my Codesi training. I'm getting ready to do my VersaWorks installation. So we will go from there. All right. I'm just going to close that utility. I don't need that right now. And I'm going to go ahead. And I'm going to go ahead and open my Versa Works. I've already done the install part. Basically, just go if whoever you purchase it from provides you with the package. I'm trying to say the correct words. If they provide you with the package, definitely use it. It could possibly save you some time from searching on the web. But if not, that is totally okay. Roland does have these downloads and things available to you once you do register your device. Now we're just going to start up VersaWorks. I'm running 6.17 version. And remember, I am doing the initial install. You want to go here to choose your printer driver. And I'm basically going to choose my Roland BN20. Then I'm going to go to verify. Then it's going to pull up all my information about the version of the Roland that I have. I just want to verify that your information is correct. And when you did set up the Versa Studio, you were asked to name your printer. I did name my VersaWorks BN20, so that's what it is. So after you have verified everything, you just want to go and hit apply. You're going to get a pop-up that basically wants you to make sure this is what you want to do. Yes. Mine is still loading. I have to apply those to just hit OK. And here we are. And that's the setup for VersaWorks. All right, y'all. Bye.